One of the very first elements that we focused on was changing our strategy, having a really sound strategy that focused on being innovative within the company. Changing the DNA of our organisation was critically important. We partnered with organisations like Tobias to really embed the human-centred design aspects of trying to change the way in which we think about innovation. We wanted to solve for our customers that ultimately solve for their customers.
I think design has been particularly successful for a number of reasons. Some of these include it's collaborative by nature. So its approach drives alignment and by definition reduces ambiguity. It's also a really effective tool for managing complexity in an age with increased specialization. It's evidence-based. So by that I mean we draw on foresight and understand megatrends to then focus questions and research with customers, partners, and anybody who supports the system. The British Double Diamond is a framework which we leverage heavily. It's really just a simple model which focuses us initially on interrogating the problem space to make sure that we're focused on solving the right problems before moving into the design of the thing in the right way. BPAY Group selected Tobias because of our track record in leveraging human-centered design processes to drive business value and innovation. Together with the leadership team, we firstly identified a business opportunity and a high-value customer cohort on which to focus our initial experiment. The objectives were simple, yet ambitious. Prove the value of human-centered design approach to drive business innovation. Involve BPAY Group staff in all aspects of this process, giving them a chance to learn by doing. Document all methods and tools used along the way to promote the methodology internally.
We started with qualitative research, conducting contextual inquiry with real people to gain insights into how they think, feel and behave in relation to products, services and important jobs to be done. We took BPAY Group staff into the field with us, then taught them how to analyse and synthesise the data. We involved business stakeholders and subject matter experts throughout to ensure insights and opportunities identified in discovery aligned with business goals and their commercial strategy. We identified 11 opportunity areas for BPAY Group to improve and evolve its customer and partner value proposition. Through a series of facilitated workshops with the leadership team, we prioritised a single opportunity area to move into concept design.
We assembled a transdisciplinary team drawn from BPAY Group people, its partners, scheme members and customers in a fast-paced co-design workshop or design charrette. At the end of an exhausting day, we selected a product candidate to evolve into an MVP or minimum viable product, something we could test with real customers and quickly. We identified an industry partner, QuickBooks, and took an iterative, human-centered approach to designing a brand new product, Batchmaker, which has been launched on the QuickBooks platform. Building on the Batchmaker's success, the innovation framework was refined and then scaled across the organization, where it's now used to generate fresh opportunities, optimize and extend core services, and perhaps most gratifying for us, it's being used as an internal tool for operational improvement.
So as we move to the future and new ways of working, we need to bring our staff, the people that work here, along with us. And in order to make sure we're all of the same mindset and have the same understanding in bringing everybody up to date. Things are changing rapidly, not just in technology, but the way people work, the way people collaborate, the way we partner with other organisations. So we need to tap into those expertise that exist in the market to help us get ahead of the game. and bring everybody along on that journey. So Tobias has been a great example of that for us. We've worked with Tobias originally to help us through some projects with human-centered design, which actually led to products that are now in market, so that's been great. The training that Tobias has helped us with has really helped the whole organisation to tap into those expertise so that we can give that broad knowledge across the whole organisation going forward.
One of the key benefits of using Tobias as a training and education partner is that they're actively working in the industry. They're doing successful projects using all of the skills that they're teaching us.
Well, the future is very bright for the company. We've gone from having one revenue stream, the traditional BPAY business, to now having 4 distinct companies or revenue streams.
We're very proud of the achievements we've seen through our work together with the BPAY Group over the last 3.5 years. Not only have we delivered commercial outcomes, valuable commercial outcomes, but we've managed to work with them to build capability and to change mindset into an organization essentially that places the customer at the center of everything it does.